I am going to be making a hair tea. So I will be using some simple effective ingredients which you can find around you that are very effective. You can use your hair tea as a final rinse after shampooing and washing. Washing and conditioning your hair. Use this as a final hair rinse. It absolutely have an amazing benefit to help to strengthen your hair. It strengthens your hair follicle and also it decreases DHT level. It is absolutely amazing. If you have been experiencing hair shedding, hair tea is what you need right now because everyone is experiencing breakage, shedding, hair thinning due to stress and a whole lot of things happening around us. And hair tea is absolutely very amazing. With no expensive ingredients, you can be able to make a wonderful effective remedy for your hair which will help to strengthen your hair. You need that strength in order to stop hair shedding, and also it stimulates growth. It reduces fungal growth on your scalp. It absolutely have amazing benefits. So we are going to be making use of green tea and black tea. If you have not tried out green tea and black tea before, this is the right time to try it out. It is absolutely amazing. So the brand that I will be using today is Lipton. This is not a sponsored video. I just decided to share with you guys that you can also use Lipton. This is a black tea Lipton. There are so many brands, so whichever one you are getting, just make sure it is black tea or green tea. So I'm going to be making use of 1 full tablespoon of green tea and two of the leaves of black tea. The green tea comes in a leafy form, so I'm going to be using a full tablespoon of that. So just put it into a pot, add in 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Make sure it is in a very low heat. Whenever you are infusing something, make sure to put it in a very low heat so that it will infuse slowly. And again, you can do this, put it in a jar, add in warm water, leave it overnight for it to infuse, and then add in the Lipton. So when I see that the water is starting to boil, I will then add in my Lipton black tea. Okay, so this is what I am doing right now, and I will just allow everything to boil together and infuse nicely. Our next ingredient will be apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to strengthen your hair. It helps to lower your hair and scalp pH. It also helps to stimulate the shedding of dead skin cells from your scalp. It helps to maintain the healthiness of your hair. It soothes itchiness. I absolutely love apple cider vinegar, and you can use apple cider vinegar alone and mix it with water. But adding it to our infused green tea and black tea is absolutely very also amazing. I am super excited to be adding it to this green tea because I know it is going to help to lower the pH of the scalp, and also it helps to stimulate shedding, guys. It helps to prevent shedding and breakage as well. So guys, after infusing our black tea and green tea, I will then be straining it, allowing it to cool down. After straining it, I will be taking just a little to drink. It is also very great for your health as well. Green tea and black tea are amazing for the body. So I will strain it, take the one from my hair, and then after it might have cooled down a little, I will then be adding in about 3 tablespoons of our apple cider vinegar, and then I will move on to allow it to cool down. I will allow it to cool down, and then I'll move on to the bathroom to use it on my hair.
Yo, yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never